In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient background to a section or container in your website or funnel. If you want to give your page a more modern, polished look, adding a gradient background is a simple way to do it. Gradients can help a section stand out, create more visual depth, and make your design feel a little more dynamic without needing any advanced design skills. The good news is that this can all be done directly inside the page builder. To get started, open the page builder for the website or funnel you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to locate the exact section or container you want to update. This is important because any changes you make will apply only to the area you have selected. If your page has multiple sections, make sure you click on the correct one before moving forward. After selecting that section or container, look over to the sidebar where the editing settings appear. This is where you'll find the design and styling options for the selected element. Scroll down through the sidebar until you reach the background section. Depending on your layout and screen size, you may need to scroll a little further than expected, so just take your time and make sure you're in the right place. Inside the background settings, click on the color tab. This is where you control the background color options for the section. Once you're there, look for the gradient toggle and switch it on. Enabling this setting allows you to blend multiple colors together instead of using just one solid background color. Now you can choose your start and stop colors. These are the colors that will fade into each other to create the gradient effect. You'll also be able to adjust the intensity, which changes how strong or soft the transition looks. If you want a subtle effect, use colors that are closer together in tone. If you want something more eye-catching, choose colors with more contrast. The key is to make sure your gradient still works well with any text or content placed on top of it. Once you're happy with the look, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a gradient background to your section or container. This is a quick design upgrade that can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your page.